of the most intelligent and one of the most nicest, kindest young men I've ever met. Let's give Tyler McNamer a big hand.
And just to let you know, I ain't diagnosed with cancer. Alright, so where to begin? I'm quite new to this, so my name is Tyler Allen McNamer, and I've been told that I've been diagnosed with autism, not cancer. And let's see. Oh yeah. And throughout my life, when I was very young, I viewed this diagnosis as a curse, as pretty much the worst thing that I can possibly imagine, because I did not like it. But throughout over the years later on, as I grow older, I view it more as a gift, more like a talent with its uniqueness, because it's so different. Because there's difference between good difference and bad differences. And I think autism is a good difference, in my opinion. Now, I want to begin by asking 4 questions that works with are you? Now, 4 questions. So, are you different, unique, extraordinary, and committed to make this world a better place? And if you answer yes to any of these questions, then I challenge you all to join me, and together we can make this world a better place, and we can make a difference. And it's growing up with autism, and I'll let you on a little secret. It's not as hard as it looks. It's hard. When I was 9 years old, that theory of being balanced changed my life forever. When I was walking up a step, I fell and broke my right ring finger. See, look, you can see that this finger is much different to this one. Knowing from this experience, I was going crazy. I was extremely angry because I want this difference. Not difference, but I want this balance, the perfection of me, with balance and all that stuff too. Now for the final conclusion, I challenge you. I challenge you as a young 18-year-old to accept and embrace people who they are and their differences from you and from anyone. To live your life in a balance is what I've learned. And together, we can all become a huge population of one. I'm Tyler McNamer. Thank you very much.